Technological innovations for a better life. A company that opens the promising future. Be a company that works to be the best in its field of expertise. These are the goals of PYUNGIL Corporation. PYUNGIL is an integrated manufacturer of high-voltage electrical distribution and transmission equipment. As a corporate representative of the Republic of Korea in its field, PYUNGIL is seeking to be the best in the world. Founded in 1970, PYUNGIL has become a mainstay company in the electrical industry. Since then, PYUNGIL has led the design and manufacturing of high-voltage insulation products and their accessories in Korea, and has made great contributions to the growth of the Korean industrial economy. Today, over 2 million PYUNGIL electrical products are in service in numerous power plants, power transmission towers, substations, electrical poles, underground trenches, railways, pad-mounted transformers, switchgears, and submarine cables. That is illuminating and powering the world. 1970, PYUNGIL was established and began to sell power cable connectors. 1985, completed construction of new manufacturing facility in Yeongju, Korea. 1987, began technical collaboration with Elastomold USA. 1991, established research and development laboratory. 1992, began manufacturing new epoxy bushing and connectors for transformers and switchgears. 1996, development of polymeric dead-end insulators for distribution lines. 1997, obtained ISO 9001 certification. 2000, received an export award for $5 million from the Korean government. 2001, began manufacturing in polymeric suspension insulators for transmission lines. 2002, received KPEG certification for electrical penetration assembles and was awarded technological innovative cooperation from the Korean government. PYUNGIL's manufacturing philosophy is to be vertically integrated to minimize dependence on purchasing from overseas suppliers. This has resulted in greater control over cost and the highest quality for our products. There are over 3 million PYUNGIL polymetric insulators used throughout the world, and thanks to PYUNGIL's crimping technology, PYUNGIL's polymetric insulators have a design life of at least 40 years. This technology consists of 3-layer sealing to prevent any moisture penetration and provide 100% electrical insulation. The defect rate has been 0. This provides 100% product reliability. As well, PYUNGIL manufactures pre-molded type cable termination, straight joint, pad-mounted LBS, and transformer connectors. Attributes are even electrical stress distribution, high electrical characteristics, and convenience of installation. PYUNGIL manufactures more than 1,300 different types of cable connectors, such as underground low-voltage connectors, fully shielded and environment-friendly ABC cable connectors, preventing cable trouble in the areas of trees contact, salty and industrial pollution, and bypass system connectors. In all, PYUNGIL has been a leader in the electrical industry and has developed over 80 types of epoxy bushings for transformers and switches. Providing the total factory automation that will lead the future of the electrical industry. This is the goal PYUNGIL is aiming for. PYUNGIL has caught the eyes of the world's electrical industry by successfully installing submarine cable connectors, which many of the international companies find to be a difficult task. PYUNGIL entered into a partnership in the U.S. The result was the formation of P&A Power Systems Incorporated, based in Ansan City, Korea. P&A Power Systems manufactures circuit breakers that prevent overloads and malfunctions on power transformers. PYUNGIL's technology has been well acknowledged and is exporting most of its production overseas. Pyungil has evolved as a premier electrical company by expanding its production lines to various switchgears needed in automatic power distribution systems such as pad-mounted switch, pole-mounted switch, automatic switch, OLBS, etc. Pyungil is also producing products such as surge arresters with polymetric housing, cutouts with polymetric insulator, and digital watt-hour meters. Leading the market in heavy electric insulators, Pyungil has successfully developed the electrical penetration assembly design technique for nuclear power plants. Providing various electric powers to the dome interior of nuclear power plants. Pyungil's electrical penetration assembly was tested and approved by the short circuit test of Korea Electrotechnology Research Institute. Earthquake proof test by Korea Institute of Machinery and Material, and LOCA test in Canada. Its design has been proven for 40 plus years of life. As the new leader of the future, Pyungil has been devoted to new technology developments since the foundation of its R&D laboratory in 1991. With its devotion to developing new technologies, Pyungil has become a new leader of the future with its developments in polymer materials, cable connector design that control the electrical stresses of the cable, bushing sealing techniques that does not allow any error in gas leakage, new electronic devices which adopt IT to electricity, and automation systems. Connecting the world, leading the world. Pyungil Corporation has been expanding its presence in many countries including China, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, the United States, Canada, and many European countries. Much of the world's electrical companies have experienced the leading technology and quality of Pyungil, leading to a successful business result. Pyungil is devoted to stringent quality control. Pyungil uses the most modern inspection processes and technologies. Pyungil's zero defect quality control system that has led to its quality certifications such as ISO 9001, PEPE, NT, and EMR. Pyungil also maintains 24-hour repair team to respond to customers' needs, as well as providing a flawless service in taking care of our products after the repair. Pyungil believes that customer satisfaction comes first.
끊임없는 기술 개발, 품질 우위, 저렴한 가격, 고객에게 다가서는 신뢰받는 창조적 기업, 꿈을 이루는 세계화된 기업이 되겠습니다.
Pyungil focuses on advanced technology, intelligent management, and high-tech digital management as the tools to lead Pyungil as a leading company in the 21st century.